Are you looking for an e-commerce or online shop developer in Zambia? Welcome to Keith Rates, an agency in e-commerce design in Zambia. E-commerce website development for new to established brands in Zambia. I know what your target audience in Zambia wants to see. Get in touch now. Design and development of e-commerce websites in Zambia. We are an e-company in Zambia specializing in websites design, creation and marketing for retail companies. We're here to help your company succeed in Zambia, whether you want to push your online business to the next level or just start off on the online retail market. E-commerce website design in Zambia. We have established dozens of online stores over the last 2 years in Zambia as leading e-commerce development agency and are proud to produce well-built and robust websites. We will not only design a wonderful website for your target audience, but also ensure that you have all the features required for it to be converted with the use of latest technology platform and coding standards. E-commerce development services in Zambia. Develop tailored systems to suit customer requirements. Magento WordPress and WooCommerce BigCommerce Shopify 3D Cart Site Finity. They also collaborate with larger enterprise networks including the Oracle ATG and Microsoft Commerce servers on a daily basis. Retail website in Zambia features. Some of the common features that our e-commerce websites regularly include are login and registration, search, navigation management, departments, categories, subcategories and products. Product filters. Product attributes and multiple product images. Product ratings. Related and featured products. Stock management. Discount and offer management. Shopping cart. Payment integration, PayPal, Amazon, Stripe, SagePay, etc. Invoice and customer management. Newsletter subscription. News and blog. Website analytics. Keith Rains Agency expertise in Zambia. As the e-commerce world is always evolving, you need to constantly invest in the product to sustain and expand your current business. Sticking to us as your development agency will allow you to have direct access to an experienced team of e-commerce designers and developers who will help you continuously grow your online shopping platform month by month. To build your digital presence and to increase your sales, it is important to start up a team of seasoned digital marketers who can help you to expand your paid and organic traffic to your shopping portal. Mobile commerce in Zambia. Mobile use has significantly increased over the last few years and thus the website needs to be well looked and running on mobile devices. We can provide you with a website designed to match your e-commerce site, or we can create a custom mobile app for you, if you prefer. The best place for our advisors is to educate you on the right strategy for your company. In order to serve your client base, an iOS or Android app can also be needed. Digital marketing services in Zambia. This job never ends with an impressive e-commerce website and an innovative e-commerce platform. There will be ongoing work to make your company find the e-commerce website easier and to make your online store more traffic. Our e-commerce technology and design team cooperates closely with our marketing department to ensure that your website has a good location and converts through our optimization services for search engines or conversion rates. You will have to take into consideration conversion rate optimization, CRO, search engine optimization, SEO, cost per click, PPC. Get in touch now. Keith@keithrains.me